Dear friends, P block compounds, the topic under consideration, and under that, balancing of chemical equations. This is the part on which we are giving thrust, and up till now we have considered. Now, let us consider a few more balancing of chemical reactions, or we call it as balancing of chemical equations. In this lecture, we will focus on preparation of oxygen. Now, there are various methods in which we can prepare oxygen, laboratory methods. Industrial method is from air, but in this topic, especially we have to balance and study the balancing of reactions. That point of view, there are various reactions given. In that section, preparation of oxygen point of view, by thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition of oxygen containing salts. Thermal decomposition, decompose, to remove, music composer, the opposite, music decomposer. Thermal decomposition means just by strong heating, and because of strong heating, a compound gets decomposed, gets converted into few more compounds, different compounds. That is called as thermal decomposition. So, by thermal decomposition of various compounds, we can produce or we get oxygen O2. Under that, we will start thermal decomposition of KClO3. KClO3, that is potassium chlorate. Now, the oxidation number of chlorine, if potassium is +1, in compounds oxygen is -2, such 3 are there. So, -6 + 1, it is +5. Now, if it is chlorate, then the salt is derived from this acid, basic acid, oxyacid of chlorine. Since chlorine has one unpaired and 3 lone pair of electrons. Out of 3 lone pairs, 2 lone pairs are involved, 1 lone pair is there. Oxyacid, when dissolved in water, dissociation takes place here, ionization actually, H plus and remaining part O minus. So, this is chloric acid. Oxidation number, again the same thing, oxygen carries -2, hydrogen carries +1. If you calculate molecule as a whole, oxidation number of chlorine is +5. Thermal decomposition of salt of that acid, if that were decomposition of this potassium chlorate, chloric acid, if acidic hydrogen is removed, IC acid of that acid is replaced by AT, chlorate. So, this is potassium chlorate, KClO3, oxidation number of chlorine is +5, and strong heating, and if this much memory is used, that chlorate, potassium chlorate on thermal decomposition, we get oxygen, then the balancing and byproducts, that writing is not, should not be difficult actually. Gives oxygen. Now, if -2 oxygen changes to 0, oxygen O2 means elemental oxygen, that is -2 changes to 0 is oxidation. So, increase in oxidation number by 2, minus 2 changes to 0, and if oxygen in potassium chlorate undergoes oxidation, minus 2 changes to 0, simultaneously there should be some element which undergoes reduction. Here chlorine plus 5 changes to chlorine minus 1, means chlorine plus 5 changes to KCl. So in KCl, chlorine is minus 1, potassium plus 1, that we know. So minus 2 oxygen changes to 0 and plus 5 chlorine changes to minus 1. Now this we should electronically balance. Plus 5 changes to minus 1, means plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, 6. Plus 5, if it accepts 1 electron, it will get converted into plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, 0, 1 more electron. So 6 decrease. One atom of oxygen with minus 2 charge changes to elemental oxygen, 1 atom. So for 1 atom of chlorine, plus 5 changing to minus 1, there should be 3 atoms. So chlorine plus 5 changing to chlorine minus 1, minus 2 oxygen, oxygen minus 2 changing to 0, it should be 3. Balancing total donated electrons and total gained electrons. Now such type of various reactions up till now we have considered. Just we are again adding few more examples to it. So if this is clear to us, 1 atom of chlorine, 3 atoms of oxygen. Means if I take, because oxygen is present in the form of O2, 2O2, 3O2, O2 molecule, 2O2 molecules, 3O2 molecules. Therefore, if I take 2 molecules of KClO3, means for 2 atoms of chlorine plus 5 to minus 1, 6 atoms of oxygen means 3. 3O2 means 6 atoms of oxygen. So automatically the elementally also they are balanced. And therefore total 2 molecules of KClO3 means potassium are also 2. Let me balance potassium. Automatically chlorine gets balanced. So this is how the reaction we should study. We should not use memory. This is not a way to study chemistry, although this is not that difficult reaction. But the only important thing is that once there are many more examples, decomposition of or some compounds giving rise to oxygen. This is chlorate or potassium chlorate, means plus 5 chlorine gets changed to, if minus 2 oxygen changes to 0, means increase in oxidation number, it automatically comes in our mind that there should be some element which undergoes decrease in oxidation number. It is possible with chlorine because routine stable oxidation state of chlorine is minus 1. So plus 5 changing to minus 1 and minus 2 changing to 0. Total increase and total decrease, if that part is in our mind, then balancing becomes easy. And if we practice it, automatically this will get fitted in our memory. Extra memory part, then there should be no objection. Let us consider one more example of the type which we are considering, thermal decomposition. Just now I have covered potassium chlorate. Now let us consider thermal decomposition of, this is potassium perchlorate. Potassium perchlorate. Earlier was chlorate, means the earlier example was salt of this oxyacid, chloric acid, perchlorate, this is perchloric acid. Monobasic acid, only one H plus ion is available per molecule. Same was true for this. But the oxidation number in perchloric acid, the oxidation number of chlorine is plus 7, minus 2 into 4 plus 1. So, oxidation number of chlorine is plus 7. And in short, the molecular formula we write it as HClO4. This is strong acid like HCl, H2SO4. This comes under what we call as strong acid because 3 oxygen atoms which are more electronegative than chlorine are attached to chlorine. So, they pull the electron density, the 3 oxygen atoms pull the electron density towards themselves. So, chlorine in turn becomes electron deficient and it will pull this shared pair, and in turn the OH bond will be polar. So, when dissolved in water, heterolysis like what we have considered in case of HCl, when dissolved in water it gives H plus and Cl minus ions. H plus and remaining negative ion takes place to a very large extent, whatever is dissolved, almost all. So, this comes under what we call as strong acid. That is a different thing. When such acid, perchloric acid, oxidation number of chlorine is plus 7, when reacted with KOH or NaOH, any other base, gives a salt. For example, if it were reacted with KOH, it would give KClO4, potassium perchlorate. We are considering preparation of oxygen by thermal decomposition. So, thermal decomposition of KClO4, strong heating, just by strong heating compound gets decomposed. Strong heating. Since preparation of oxygen is under consideration, let me write the main product first. Now, potassium perchlorate minus 2 charge on oxygen changes to 0. So, this is increase in oxidation number by 2, and oxidation number of chlorine minus 2 oxygen plus 1 potassium, just now we have considered. Oxidation number of chlorine is plus 7. Plus 7 changes to chlorine minus 1, means the byproduct is KCl actually, where oxidation number of chlorine is minus 1. So, plus 7 changes to minus 1 means minus 2 changes to 0 is releasing electrons, increase in oxidation number, oxidation. Plus 7 changes to minus 1 means it captures electron, gains electron, reduction. So, decrease in oxidation number by 8. So, if one molecule of potassium perchlorate means 1 plus 7 chlorine changes to minus 1, the decrease in oxidation number is 8. For that, minus 2 changing to 0 should be 4 atoms. For 1 chlorine plus 7 changing to minus 1, this comes from potassium perchlorate, this is from KCl. Oxygen minus 2 giving rise to 0 oxygen, this is decreased by 8, 4 atoms. So, for 1 chlorine, elemental oxygen atoms 4. For 2 chlorine, elemental oxygen atoms will be 8. So, if we keep that in mind, then balancing will become easy. So, increase in oxidation number and decrease in oxidation number, 1 KCl, and so now minus 2 changes to 0, such 4 means 8, and plus 7 changes to minus 1 is also 8. Here decrease in oxidation number by 8, increase by oxidation number by 8, and automatically this becomes a balanced reaction. Although this is not that difficult, but balancing using electronic concept, redox, oxidation and reduction, this is a way to learn such type of reactions. And even though to memorize such type of few reactions are easy, we should not follow that path, because that makes our chemistry, further chemistry, difficult.